Just go there. Okay. Okay. Sure, let's go.
Hello, baby. I would just like to take a short break for all of you guys to share a very, very important moment for me. Yes, and I'm gonna start with telling you 3 things, baby. First of all, baby, I am very, very, very proud of us doing all of this in our long distance relationship. When nobody else was telling us that it would lead to something. Nobody believed in us. Only you and me. And then, second of all, I remembered as soon as we started seeing each other that you would never, believing me, and that you were actually the only girl that I only wanted. But I told you I'm gonna prove it. Yes, and third of all, and for the last time, I'm just gonna say, baby, I love you so much, and you're the only girl that I can see a future with, and the only girl I ever felt like this with. Will you marry me, baby?
Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta't nandito lang ako sa tabi mo. Congratulations, sir. She said yes. Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta't nandito lang ako sa tabi mo. Once again, sir, congratulations po sa inyo.